What's up mga ka-etuks? We are here in Del Rizal University and we are going to interview some students about our topic, the periodic table of elements. So let's start! So, here's our first interviewee. Hi, may I know your name?
Tyron Sidro.
Okay, so I have here a few questions for you. Are you familiar with the periodic table of elements?
Yes.
So, do you know who is the father of the periodic table of elements?
Right.
Okay, so pick a number. Show the number to the camera. Show it to the camera. My number 92. So find the element here. We will give you 5 seconds.
Uranium.
That's right. It's uranium. So we have our second interviewee. What is your name?
Kobe Monsayak.
Are you familiar with the periodic table of elements?
Yes.
Do you know who is the father of the periodic table of elements?
First name only. Dimitri.
Yeah, thank you. So pick one element. Can you please show it to the cam? The periodic table. Periodic table. We will give you 5 seconds to find it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is your element? What is the element?
Iron.
Iron. That's right. Thank you.
What is your name?
Tyron.
Are you familiar with the periodic table?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know the father of periodic table of elements?
No.
Okay. Okay, now pick one. Show to the camera. Okay. Now, I'm gonna count 5 seconds and you have to find the element.
Iron.
1, 2.
Iron.
Okay. Thank you.
And that is for the first part of our video. Moving on, let's study more about the periodic table of elements. So first, let's talk about the periodic table, also known as the periodic table of elements. It's a tabular display of chemical elements which are arranged by its atomic number, electronic configuration, and recurring chemical properties. Let's move forward to the most prominent names in the periodic table of elements. In 1789, Antoine Lavoisier published a list of 33 elements, grouping them into gases, metals, nonmetals, and earth.
In 1865, John Newlands published his Law of Octaves, an innovative concept proposing the periodicity of the chemical elements in order of atomic weight.
In 1869, Dmitri Mendeleev arranged the elements in properties and atomic weight. He is also called the father of periodic table. And lastly, Henry Moseley is considered the most influential and determined the atomic number of each element. And here's a fun fact. Do you know how to complete this table? First, I will show you an example. Our first element is cobalt. So after identifying the element, you have to find out what is the atomic number. Now look at your periodic table. The atomic number can be seen at the upper left part of each element. So now that you've determined the atomic number of the element, you can now answer the fourth column that indicates atomic number. After that, you can now figure out what is the proton and electron of your element. Now this part is easy because the atomic number has the same value with the proton and electron. Next is figuring out the atomic mass. Actually find it at the upper right part of each element. You should always remember that the atomic mass should always be a whole number. So if it's in decimal,
you have to round it off. And after that, you can answer the column that says atomic mass. And for the last column, the neutron. To get the neutron of an element, you have to subtract the atomic mass with the atomic number. Since the atomic number of cobalt is 27 and its atomic mass is 59, the answer will be 32. You can now answer your column 5. And that's it! Now you know how to find the structure of an element.